Hey guys, it's part 2 of the junky back porch makeover. We got it 90% done. Easy little project. We'll tell you how we done it and everything like that, and you can see the before and the after. Pretty proud of it. Everybody loves it. My wife loves it. You know, this is her anniversary present, me cleaning up my junky back porch 2 storage catch-all. It's always been an eyesore. But so we changed it to where she's got something to enjoy, the kids enjoy it and everything like that. To start out, we got some ferns and everything. I put 2 old chairs there that we had, never could find a place for them, so they got a place now. And we built a swinging bed. Real easy project, chains and everything like that. Put a sheet on it, just an air mattress. It's just an air mattress and everything like that. But it's simple to build. Like I said, this piece right here, there's 2 of them. That's a 1 by 8, 55 inches long. If you're gonna build one, full size. 2 long pieces. 1 by 8, 77 inches long. Okay. Now, this, we bought 2 1 by 8, 8 foot long. That's where we got the 77 inches. I bought 1 by 8, 10 foot long. That's where we got the 55 inches. So it's just 3 boards is all it took for the frame. I had 2 old pieces of barn wood for the headboard. You can see just like that right there. We had 2 pieces. They're 55 inches long. Now, the frame is actual 10 53.5 inch 2x4s, okay? Get shot right down through here. 53.5 inch 2x4 screwed to each side. All right, that's all it is. That's all the woodworking and everything. Used a skill saw, a square, and a screw gun. That's it. That was the entire tool amount. Simple project on a scale of 1 to 10. 1, you can't tie your shoes. 10, you're building the pyramids. This is probably a 4. More likely a 3, but 4 because you are using a skill saw, you are using a drill and everything like that. So you do got to have a couple of tools. But I mean, simple little project. Total cost around $200. And actually, I sold my cans for $47, and so that knocked it down to about $153. But you know, everybody knew I stored my aluminum cans back here too. So in the first video, but we bought the ferns and everything. Like I said, she loves it. The kids love it. We went, took about a day to build this, a few hours to build it. And you can just sit out here and absolutely rock your life away. And I gotta tell you something. I love building projects where I get to lie down afterwards. I mean, this is my cup of tea. But once again, this little makeover was my wife's anniversary present. And we've been married for 29 years now. And who would have thought, after 29 years, we'd become a couple of swingers.
Dad, that's gross.
Well, sorry. Got off topic there, off script. So anyway, if you like this little project, like, subscribe, comment. We're going to be building more. I don't know when I'll get this downloaded because I may not get up from here. But anyway, anybody can build it, and it really adds a lot. So get out there, build something, enjoy life, be safe, and we'll talk to y'all later. See ya.